हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं क्लास 4th का EVS 2 का लेसन नंबर 1 महाराष्ट्र बिफोर शिवाजी के क्वेश्चन आंसर। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स चूजिंग द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। ए, द टाइम इन विच शिवाजी महाराज लिव्ड was that of the medieval period. B, शिवाजी महाराज established स्वराज्य in Maharashtra. Second, match the pairs. Group A and Group B is there. So directly answer is given. Emperor of Vijayanagar, Krishnadev Rai. Sultan of Ahmednagar, Nizam Shah. And Sultan of Bijapur, Adil Shah. Third, write the answer in one sentence. A, name the kings who look after the welfare of their subjects. Answer, the Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and the Emperor Krishnadev Rai of Vijayanagar in the south looked after the welfare of their subjects. B, what noble task did Shivaji Maharaj undertake? Answer, Shivaji Maharaj undertook the noble task of establishing Swarajya in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. C, who did Shivaji Maharaj fight against? Answer, Shivaji Maharaj fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. 4, find the odd man out. A, Swarajya, slavery, freedom. So, correct is slavery. B, people, subjects, king. So here is odd man out, one is king. People and subject means same, but king is a different. Okay student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video, then do like, comment and share. And for more such videos, subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in the next video. Till that, keep learning.